Hi, in this video I'm looking at factorising this expression here, 2x squared plus 4x plus 2. When you have a quadratic that does not have this number here in front of the x squared term, so you might have something like x squared plus 2x plus 1, then life is a bit easier because we don't have to do an extra process just to work out because there's that extra number there. But we might be able to get our expression to something simple like this if we notice that we can factorize that 2 out. We can actually remove a 2 from each term in this expression just by factorizing by removing numbers first, and then hoping to end up with something similar without that a term, or when a term is 1, because we don't bother writing it when it's 1. So we can do this with this expression because we're wanting to remove that 2, so we check, can we divide 4 by 2? Yes, we can, because 4 divided by 2 is 2. And can we divide 2 by 2? Of course we can. So we can rewrite this as 2 outside of x squared plus 2x plus 1, because we've done our 2x squared divided by 2, leaving us x squared, 4x divided by 2, leaving us 2x, 2 divided by 2, leaving us 1, and we've removed that 2 now and put it out the front. So now we just want to look at this expression here and see if we can factorize it. So the first thing we're going to do is work out the factor pairs of our c term in there, which is going to be that 1 there. So factor pairs of 1. Now there's not many factor pairs of 1. You've got two choices. You've got 1 times 1 or -1 times -1. Add those up and we can get 1 plus 1 is 2, which is our b term here, positive 2. So 1 and 1 is our answer. So we can now rewrite this as 2, open bracket, and now we can factorize this expression inside there, so we can have x plus something multiplied by x plus something, and that something, both of them, are going to be those 1s there. So we can have x plus 1 and x plus 1. And now that's an almost completely factorized expression. Our only thing that's stopping it from being completely factorized is x plus 1 is exactly the same as x plus 1. So we could think of this as the fact that I've got y times y, which is y squared. So I can take my expression here and turn it into 2 times x plus 1 all squared. And that will be my fully factorized answer, because that's as small and as neat as I can get that. So sometimes when we get our expressions, they may look like they're a bit harder, but if we can look at our 3 numbers and see if we can remove that first one out, factorize it out, we can make our life a bit easier.